Hello friends, today I will show you how to define constant. It is the interesting. So follow us and follow me in my tutorial. So first of all, you need to define method. Then you can define the as like variable. So you just type the name, then you can assign your string or anything else. Just my I'll type my name. Alright, alright. Now if you want to print this string, then you can just echo name. Now we can just reload here, then showing the my name. That's it. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.